In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an account on Hootsuite. If managing multiple social media accounts feels like conducting a never-ending digital orchestra, then Hootsuite could be your perfect conductor's baton. It streamlines posting, monitoring, and analyzing social media efforts all in one dashboard. So, whether you're a business owner aiming to widen your online reach or a social media enthusiast keen on keeping your accounts in check, this tutorial is tailored for you. Let's dive straight into the process. Start by navigating to the Hootsuite website. It's the gateway to simplifying your social media management, offering a comprehensive overview of your social media landscape. Once the homepage greets you, it's time to access your account, locate the login button, which usually sits at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This small step is the first move towards bringing all your social media accounts under one roof. The next screen will ask for your email address. Here's a tip. Ensure you use the email associated with your Hootsuite account to avoid any login mishaps. After inputting your email, the next field demands your password. Fill it in, then proceed by clicking Sign In. Remember, these credentials are your personal keys to a kingdom of streamlined social media management, so keep them secure. Once logged in, your Hootsuite dashboard will open up, presenting an array of features and settings. It's time to integrate your social media account into this landscape. Look for your profile icon, usually located at the bottom left-hand corner. Clicking on it reveals a menu. From this menu, select Social Accounts and Teams. This option is your doorway to managing all your social media profiles from Hootsuite's platform. The interface then directs you to a section where you can manage your existing accounts or add new ones. For this exercise, our focus is on adding a new account. So look for the Private Account tab and select it. This specific area allows you to manage accounts that you don't share with other team members on Hootsuite, making it ideal for personal social media profiles. Your next step is to click on Add a Social Network to Hootsuite. This option is your gateway to consolidating your social media management. By clicking here, you open up a new realm of possibilities, enabling you to add various social media platforms to your Hootsuite dashboard. The range of platforms supported is extensive, allowing for a seamless management experience across your digital presence. Selecting Add a Social Network prompts you to choose which platform you want to integrate with Hootsuite. Whether it's Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other supported platform, the choice is yours. It's vital to have the login details of the account you wish to add at hand, as Hootsuite will require access to these platforms. After choosing the platform, you'll be guided through the process of granting Hootsuite permission to access your account. This typically involves logging into the selected platform and authorizing Hootsuite to manage your account. It's a crucial step that bridges your social media account with Hootsuite, enabling functionalities such as scheduling posts, monitoring feeds, and gleaning insights from analytics, all from a single dashboard. Congratulations! At this point, you've successfully integrated a new social media account into Hootsuite. The beauty of Hootsuite lies in its capability to let you add multiple accounts, providing a panoramic view of your digital presence across various platforms. Repeat the process for any other accounts you wish to manage through Hootsuite, streamlining your social media efforts and making your digital life significantly easier to navigate. And just like that, you're now equipped to harness the full potential of Hootsuite, transforming your social media management from a juggling act into a harmonious symphony. Remember, the more you explore Hootsuite's features, the better you'll become at optimizing your social media strategy. From scheduling posts to analyzing performance metrics, Hootsuite empowers you to elevate your social media game. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to add an account on Hootsuite. With your social media platforms now neatly organized under one roof, the sky's the limit for what you can achieve. Explore, experiment, and most importantly, engage your audience with newfound efficiency and insight.